volunteer for.
Yeah, all right. I like that. That looks good.
Once I see like funny she gave was
Putting the finishing touches on now, guys. Well, I want to turn it up a little bit.
Pull up, hood high, but I'm grinning. Grease on my hands, yeah. Beginning, clock in at the bay like a second home. Two walls shining like a box of chrome. Old truck, new dream on the lift now. Floor jack ties.
It sounds good. That sounds great. Yeah. Where's that little screwdriver?
Not good.
That's the light, that's the wrench, that's the plan. I'm a old school professional. Kid in the corner learning where to start. Stories in the stains on the concrete floor. Every strap.
This is the part. This is the fun part is when you start having to do all this tweaking just to get the right sound out of it.
Hold on, we'll wait for Dan. We'll do that again. We need to clap for Jeff and Gavin because they killed it on this.
I think I'm just going to leave this on.
I would.
Yeah.
Looks good
So
on
this is going to be kind of behind the scenes, first person view. But I tell you what, I don't think that this audio
It's gonna pick
is
up
gonna
how-
picture or pick up how awesome that is.